Today I will teach you pair of linear equation into variables, class 10th, part chapter 3, part 4. Exercise 3.1. Pravat Kumar, PhD Math. Question number 3. The cost of 2 kg apple and 1 kg grape on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of the 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes is 300 rupees. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. Let cost of 1 kg apple x rupee, cost of 1 kg grapes by rupees. According to the condition first, टू एक्स plus y is equal to 160. This is the algebraically representation. According to the condition second, 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. Second equation. Now graphically, first we find out two points of each equation. Write in the form of x. Y is equal to 160 minus 2x. Put x equal to 0, then we get y is equal to 160 minus 0, 160. So we get solution when x equal to 0, y is equal to 160. Now put x equal to 80, y is equal to 160 minus 160 is equal to 0. 80 पर 0. Similarly, in equation second, we can write 2x plus y is equal to 150. Y is equal to 150 minus 2x. Now put x equal to 0, then we get y is equal to 150 minus 0, 150. X equal to 75, then we get 150 on a 150 is equal to 0. Then the value of the x and y, when the x equal to 0, we get y is equal to 150. and x equal to 75, then we get y equal to 0. Taking the graph paper, draw two perpendicular line. This is y-axis and x-axis. This is the graph paper. You are also take the graph paper. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. Now we take the first x equal to 0, then we get y equal to 160. This point 0, 160 and 80 we get 0. Now join this point. Now second x equal to 0, 75, 150. You will get the 150, 0, 150. And on 75 we get 75, 0. Now join this line. So we get the graphically solution. Two linear equation a1x b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Then first condition, if a1 upon a2 not equal to b and b2, intersecting one point exactly one solution. Consistent pair of linear equation. Condition second, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 and b2 is equal to c1 or c2. Consistent lines in finite line solution. Parallel equation consistent. Condition third, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 b2 not equal to c1 c2. Inconsistent, no solution, parallel lines. These are the conditions to solve the question. Whether the pair of equations x plus 3y is equal to 6, 2x minus 3y equal to 12 is consistent if so solve them graphically. First we find out a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 upon 2, b1 upon b2 is equal to 3 upon minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Then we say c1 is equal to c1 upon c2 is equal to 6 upon 12, 1 upon 2. We saw that a1 upon a2 not equal to b and b2. Equations are consistent. Now find out 2 points each equation. First we write x plus 3y is equal to 6, 3y is equal to 6 minus x, y is equal to 6 minus x upon 3. Now separate 6 upon 3, x upon 3. We get 2 minus x upon 3. The equation, the value of the y in the form of the x. Now put x equal 0 and 3. Then we get the following solution. When we put x equal 0, then we get y equal 2. We put x equal to 3, then we get y is equal to 1. So we find the two solutions. Similarly, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, 3y is equal to 2x minus 12, y is equal to 2x minus 12 upon 3. Separate the term, 2x upon 3, 12 upon 3. We get 2x upon 3 minus 4. This is the value of y in the form of the x. Now put x equal 0 and 3. Then we get, when you put the value x equal 0, then we get y equal to minus 4. If we put the value of x equal 3, then we get minus 2. Now draw the graph. We take the graph paper. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now take the point. X equal to 0. X equal to 0 पर 2. 0, 2. 3 पर 1. This point 3, 1. Now join this point. Similarly, we put x equal to 0. x equal to 0 पर y square minus 4. 3 पर minus 2. Now join this point. So we get the solution 6, 0. Exercise 3.2. Ten students. First part. 10 students of class 10th took a part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of the girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Let number of boys X, number of girls Y, according to the condition first, x plus y is equal to 10. Condition second, y is equal to x plus 4. The number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Then y is equal to x plus 4. X minus y is equal to minus 4. We have found out the solution. Graphically. So we have found out solution graphically. So we found out first two solution equation. Y is equal to tan 1 x. This is the value of y in the form of x. Now put एक्स इक्वल टू 5, वाई इक्वल टू 5, एक्स इक्वल टू 5 पर वाई इक्वल टू 5. Now put x equal to 10, y equal to 0. Similarly, we are found out the other solution. Y is equal to x plus 4. Put x equal to 1, then we get y is equal to 5. Put x equal to 2, y is equal to 6. X equal to 5 पर y is equal to 5. X equal to 2 पर y is equal to 6. Now draw the graph of the equation 5. Y is equal to 5. 10, x equal to 10 पर 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 पर 0. Now join this point. Now x equal to 5 पर 5. वन है यहाँ पर. x equal to 1 पर 5. दूसरा पॉइंट आपका 2 पर 6. Now join this point. एक पॉइंट तक कोई बात था, एक ही था. वन पर 5, 2 पर 6. इस प्रकार से आपका इक्वेशन किया.